Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about important cases from 2022. So let's get started. 1. Jarnail Singh vs Lachhmi Narain Gupta. The Supreme Court held that collecting quantifiable data for determining the inadequacy of representation of SCs and STs is necessary for providing reservations in promotions. The states themselves are responsible for determining the criteria for inadequacy of representation, as they would be better placed to account for local conditions. 2. Janhit Abhiyan vs Union. The Supreme Court ruled that the economically weaker sections, EWS, among upper castes could be promoted through various affirmative actions at the threshold level, like giving them scholarships instead of 10% quotas in government jobs and educational institutions. 3. Shailendra Kumar Anil vs CBI. The top court said bail applications should be decided in 2 weeks and urged the passage of a Bail Act. It was directed that the Union government consider introducing a separate Bail Act to streamline the process of granting bail. 4. Sukhpal Singh Khaira vs State of Punjab. The 5-judge Constitution Bench held that a criminal trial is not complete on the pronouncement of the judgment of conviction of the accused, but with their sentencing. 5. Manoj vs State. The Supreme Court said that conducting psychiatric and psychological evaluation is needed before imposing the death penalty, as it provides a baseline for the courts to use for comparison and to evaluate the progress of the accused towards reformation achieved during the incarceration period. 6. Neeraj Datta vs State of NCT Delhi. The 5-judge Constitution Bench ruled that government servants will not be able to escape prosecution in the absence of direct evidence, even if witnesses turn hostile. 7. Perarivalan vs State of Tamil Nadu. The Supreme Court held that remission of sentence by state cabinet is binding on the governor, and it invoked powers under Article 142 of the Constitution in the case. 8. Arunachala Gondar vs Ponnuswamy. The top court made it clear that Hindu daughters would be entitled to inherit the property of their father in the absence of any other legal heir, and they would receive preference over other members of the family in inheriting the property even if the father does not leave behind a will. 9. Gujarat Goft vs CISF. The Supreme Court has said that police officers are not required to do moral policing, and upheld the Gujarat High Court's dismissal of the Central Industrial Security Force (CISF) officer who harassed a young couple at night. 10. State of Jharkhand vs Shailendra Kumar Rai at Pandav Rai. No two-finger test. The Supreme Court in this verdict held that any person who conducts the 2-5-NGA test on sexual assault survivors shall be held guilty of misconduct. The court also said that this so-called test has no scientific basis and neither proves nor disproves allegations of rape. It instead re-victimizes and re-traumatizes women who may have been sexually assaulted, and is an AFF wound to their dignity. 11. Buddhadev Karmaskar vs State of West Bengal and OAS. Aadhaar card to sex workers. Bringing relief to sex workers, the Supreme Court directed the Unique Identification Authority of India to issue Aadhaar cards to the sex workers. The court said that fundamental rights are guaranteed to every citizen of the country irrespective of his/her vocation. There is a bounden duty on the government to provide basic amenities to the citizens of the country. 12. Jacob Puliyel vs Union of India. No forced COVID-19 vaccination. The court said that bodily integrity is protected under Article 21, right to life, of the Constitution, and no individual can be forced to be vaccination. As I come to the end of this video, I want to take a moment to thank you all for watching and supporting my channel. I hope that this video has been informative for you. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.